Upgrade your workshop precision with the latest measuring range from Renegade Industrial. The digital 150mm and 200mm Pro Range calipers feature a full IP67 submersible rating, screw-down battery lids and CR2032 power. These fractional adjustable vernier caliper series feature IP54 environmental protection, a crystal clear triple unit digital display and are made of stainless steel. Prefer a classic dial? The shockproof dial caliper series delivers shockproof internal gearing, a rugged stainless steel frame and a high contrast dial face. These fine adjustable vernier caliper series feature a fine adjustment thumb wheel, dual scale graduation and are made of stainless steel. For perfect layout alignment, the 4-piece modular setup brings a built-in spirit levels and a rugged storage case for safe storage. These dial indicators bring IP54 protection, 0.01mm precision graduations and an adjustable bezel with limit markers. Why not round out your kit with the chrome-plated micrometer, featuring easy re-graduations and an integrated locking lever. Built for absolute accuracy, pick up yours today in store or online at TradeTools.com. And don't forget to sign up to our weekly Serious Savings email to get all the best deals. Link in bio. So which of these tools do you prefer to use? Let us know in the comments.